Okay, so last night we stayed in Ruidoso, New Mexico. It's Friday morning. It's 22 degrees out here, and we're going to explore the Lincoln Forest area in El Capitan Mountain. Melena's back there getting stuff organized. That's what she does very well. And we're getting ready to roll on out, do some hiking, some photos, videos, maybe fly some drones and all that sort of thing. So we'll be back. Okay, another day hike. We're in the Lincoln Forest. We're at the El Capitan Wilderness area. So we're going to take a hike to the base of the mountain. It's snow covered right now. They've had a lot of storms up top, so not sure what's up there at this point. It's also windy and pretty cold. So we're just going to take a walk and see what we got. Okay, so we're starting out on the trailhead. And here we are, about half a mile in. And there's where we're going. Ok, ¿dónde vamos, Milena?
Al Capitán.
¿Arriba?
Arriba.
Ok, vamos a ver, el camino está allá. Adelante. Just a little film shot here of the trail. See, it's pretty rocky. A lot of scrub brush. Looks like they had a significant fire here years ago and burned out all the forest. As you can see, not a lot of forest. Okay, we're coming up on the part of the trail known as Chimney Rock. Okay, so I guess we're about 9,000 feet, I don't know. I'll check in a minute. You can see we got some slick snow here we're gonna have to navigate because it's a steep drop off to the right. There's a shot of the trail we just came up. You see it's on a steep ledge, ice and snow. And there's where we came from. Well, we're right below Chimney Rock. Sun's right over it though. I don't know if you can see it, but that's Chimney Rock up there. I think that puts us over the halfway point. I'll get a bearing here in a minute. Moving on. All right, so far trail's been pretty good, rocky, lots of down trees, so lots of technical stuff like this. Okay, so we have a lot of down trees to go over. This is all burned out forest here. I can only imagine how beautiful, not that it's not beautiful now, but how beautiful it would have been had it not burned out. I mean, it's absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. But over behind us, got a prairie out there. And man, you can see for, I don't know, I bet from this altitude, probably a couple 100 miles to the horizon. A little bit of haze, but so far a nice day. All right, we got to stop for a snack. Okay, lift bar. So we're gonna have a snack, get some nourishment, get some hydration. We've been pushing pretty hard. I'm gonna try to get a bearing too, see exactly where we're at. Okay, so we're over the halfway point and we're up there. We've gone past the Chimney Rock and fixing to hit the second set of switchbacks, and we're just pushing on. You can see that view out there, spectacular. Okay, I think I see the Sandy is over in this area right here, just outside of Albuquerque, so we'll get a little bit better view here in a few. Okay, we're at the first summit, about 8,000 feet or so. I think we've gone in 3.5, 4 miles. Okay, we're pretty high up. I can see El Capitan in the background here. You can see all the finger rocks, the chimney rocks, maybe behind us. Over here, there's Milena on the trail. Say hi. And let me step out here. You can hear we're probably going to have to move up a little bit. There's El Capitan, where this trail passes by. We don't know how far we're going to go. Okay, because it's already getting late today. So, woo! Yeah, we're going to push on a little bit, see what's ahead. Okay, so we've reached the second summit. We're fixing to cross over to the west side, and that's where that really strong cold air is. So we've layered up to deal with it, and temperature's dropping. It's probably already 30 degrees where we're at. So we're going to push on a little bit further and just see how far we can go. Okay, so pushing on the trail. Just coming across this second summit here. Definitely see we're on the cold side. There's the second summit right there. Okay. And the trail works along this ridge line. Whoo! As you can see out there, we got the cold side now. It's a big difference. Okay. If you can see it down there, The Chimney Rocks down there. Here's Milena. And we are up there. Moving along. Okay, this is Sunset Peak, or that's El Capitan, and that's Sunset Peak. Yeah, this is about as far as we're going to go. It's getting late in the day, and we're going to need to start heading back down. So the trail's been really grown over up here. It's probably because coming out of winter, there's been no maintenance crews up here at all. So we went on foot for a while, or went off trail because we couldn't find the trail. Now we think we found it again, but you can only see it in patches. But anyway, it loops around the other side of El Capitan, and then it starts down towards Roswell that way. So we're about halfway, maybe a little bit more. From one end to another's, I think it's like 12 miles, so we're 5, maybe 6 miles in, and so we're about the halfway point. The trail does not go to the summit of El Capitan, it goes around it. So if you want to summit it, you got to go off trail, which that's doable, but not with that much snow up there and the winds that we're having right now. So we're gonna call it here and turn around and start working our way back down, because we got a ways to go. Okay, I guess we're about halfway, maybe. There's the Chimney Rock behind us there. And looking straight across. There's Milena right there. And there's where we're going. Down, down, down. All right, pushing on. All right, so we made it back to the Jeep, and looks like everything's still there. So 3 hours up, hour and 45 minutes down. Quite the day.